Hey y'all, it's me, Sophia. I know my hair looks kind of crazy, but your girl had a long day. Anyways, look what came in the mail. I got lip gloss literally everywhere, but my Bite Invisible aligners came. The box came with this cute little reflective cover pamphlet, and it also included everything that I need to know about my aligners. And I know some of y'all might think my teeth are straight, but some of them are crooked. First, we're gonna start with the accessories. The accessories included a case to hold my aligners and a filing and extraction tool, my Hyper Bite, which basically speeds up the whole process, and my Bright Bite, which whitens my teeth and cleans my aligners. Now for the one we've all been waiting for. These are how many aligners it came with, but I only have to wear each for 1 week. Now we are using step 1 of my process. It comes with a cute little note, and look, y'all can't even tell I have them in. This is a really inexpensive way to feel way more confident about yourself. Now you guys can follow me on my journey to a perfect smile.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-4 weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my. Chandelier, limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa.